The merge is probably the most anticipated event, not just for Ethereum, but also for the broader crypto market. The migration to proof of stake, which has been delayed several times or years in the past, is a chance for the crypto industry to prove to the world that it is up to the task to be the distant future of finance. You see, the merge is a delicate event all around. There's so much at stake, even more so at the technical level. So in this video, we will go over some key facts about Ethereum 2.0, some technical analysis, price predictions, and whether or not we should be buying Ethereum right now. But before we go over what could happen to the price of Ethereum after the merge, we need to understand the price movements from past upgrades that have led to this event. Now, the first version of the Ethereum protocol, called Frontier, was launched on July 30th, 2015. And at that time, the price of Ethereum didn't actually exist. Yes, it was possible to draw certain conclusions about the value of Ethereum coins on the basis of sales data from July to September 14th, which come to about 3 cents to 45 cents just for 1 ETH during that time. But it was too early to talk about the price, which is formed on the basis of exchange demand-supply ratio. And now, according to Etherscan, the first historical records regarding the value of Ethereum are dated on August 7th, 2015. On that day, Ethereum was added to the Kraken exchange and was valued at $2.77 per ETH. Now, over the next 3 days, the price fell to 68 cents, most likely influenced by the rapid sales organized by early investors. Next, on January 11th, 2016, the cost of Ethereum finally breaks through the $1 mark and rushes upwards to never return to it again. And for 2 months, Ethereum's price rose rapidly. Information about the previous replacement of the network protocol by a more stable version, Homestead, and reaches $15 on March 13th. And at that moment, the market cap of Ethereum for the first time ever went beyond $1 billion. The next event that brought the price of Ethereum to the highest level for the whole year was from wide media coverage of the success of the DAO project, which collected more than 12 million ETH as part of a token sale. Now, on July 20th, 2016, the hard fork was still held, thus giving the start to the Ethereum Classic project, followed by everyone that supported that project. And 2 days after that, the Ethereum Classic, which had recovered to almost $15, went back to a steep peak, and by early August, it reached $8. And now in 2017, Ethereum breaks the $8 mark. On April 26, there was a new price boost, which in 10 days led to almost double the price rise on May 5th, $95 for just 1 ETH. In less than a month, its price rose 4 times to $400 per ETH, and that was on June 12th for 1 ETH, where you could have bought 1 ETH for $400. And from the very first day of the new year, the rate of Ethereum rushed back up, and on January 13th, reached an absolute maximum in its history of $1,400, and during that period, most altcoins also reached their all-time highs. Then on November 17, 2021, Ethereum reached an all-time high of $4,800, and since then, Ethereum has been through several upgrades leading up to the merge, and has brought over 45,000% in returns for all investors. But September will be an important month for Ethereum since the merge is expected to happen, and we have been waiting a very long time for this moment. In fact, we have been waiting since 2015. Now, for starters, the merge will combine the current proof of work with a beacon chain, and this will reduce the rate of Ethereum's creation by 90%, making Ethereum deflationary, and that is equivalent to 3 Bitcoin halvings, which, just for content, it would take Bitcoin 12 years to match that same net effect. And during times when Ethereum is more heavily used, maybe there is a new NFT that gets launched or a few meme coins that start to pump, Ethereum will most likely be deflationary, which will more likely burn more Ethereum than we are creating. And this is a few of the reasons as to why I'm still dollar cost averaging into ETH, because in theory, this triple halving event is going to push up the price of Ethereum. Not to mention that the new version of Ethereum will have several benefits. First, as a proof-of-stake platform, ETH holders will be able to stake their coins and win rewards. And according to staking rewards, ETH worth over $22 billion has already been staked, which equals to 11% of all ETH in circulation being staked. Second, the proof-of-stake version will be environmentally friendly since it will not require more mining. Instead, new blocks will be confirmed using validators. Third, Ethereum will become significantly faster than the existing version. The speed will also increase later on after the developers introduce sharding technology. So the Ethereum merge is expected to happen in about 1 to 2 weeks, although the exact date can still change. According to one of the leading Ethereum developers, the first part of the merge will happen on September 6th, while the full transition will happen on September 15th. So we can expect the merge to be fully completed between September 10th and September 20th. Also, the Ethereum merge has attracted a lot of attention recently, which also brought a lot of new investors. And not only did Google searches for Ethereum merge recently increased by 500% compared to the average of the last 12 months, but wallet addresses with at least 0.01 ETH also increased by more than 40%. And considering that so many people are hoping for a lot from the big Ethereum 2.0 update and are investing in ETH now, we are also starting to see Bitcoin's dominance drop. And now one of the things that some investors might not like has to do with stake and rewards. Well, newly issued ETH immediately after the merge will still be locked in the Beacon chain, so just because the merge is happening, it does not mean that you will get those Ethereum staking rewards just yet. But don't be so sad, because the withdrawals are planned for the Shanghai upgrade, the next major upgrade following the merge. And this means that newly issued ETH and ETH that has been accumulated in the Beacon chain will remain locked and liquid for at least 6 to 12 months following the merge. So whenever the Ethereum merge happens, maybe in around 6 to 12 months after that, you'll be able to start getting your Ethereum staking rewards. So with Ethereum, you will still have coin burning, but with the merger, the burned amount exceeds the amount that will be realized into the market. So Ethereum becomes deflationary after moving to proof of stake, and that's a really big deal. And after all of this, should you buy the rumor or sell the news? Well, see, this happens all the time in crypto, and it could be true and happen again. There's a high chance that everyone is buying up towards the merger and then selling afterwards. And this could certainly happen, but for me personally, I am very bullish on Ethereum, and even though we might see people sell the news afterwards, I am still going to be dollar cost averaging and will continue to hold on to ETH. And this downtrend in the market is only temporary, and if you have been in this market for a while, then you already know that. For those that have bought the top and are still hodling, well, keep hodling. We will see all-time highs again. Not sure if soon enough, but everything right now is pointing towards Ethereum and the rest of the crypto market to be the next thing in finance. And even though these prices are hard to watch, adoption is still happening from institutions and big money is still accumulating. So there's definitely still a huge upside for Ethereum in my opinion. And let's not forget that Ethereum is the second largest innovation in the blockchain world right after Bitcoin. And looking at its economic potential, Ethereum may even succeed in replacing Bitcoin as a top performer, which could then result in the flippening. So let me know what you guys think down below. Are you bullish on Ethereum? Are you buying Ethereum leading towards the merge? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Until next time.